dirigé par les médiocres. Un gouvernement des médiocres dirigé par le président médiocre Kabila.
Nalobaka te oyo bato bazo loba nanga nalobaka oyo nga na mona po nazalaka wana pe ezalaki te ke azalaki na kombo na ye nalobaka ngo na ba émission nasala ezalaki te ke kombo na ye Joseph Kabila non kombo na ye baza kobenga ye commandant Hippo.
Kabila, let me tell you something that you don't know much. Your ignorance, your hypocrisy, your violence in Congo, we call you mediocre. I think you don't know what mediocre means. Let me explain to you for a second. A mediocre is somebody who does not recognize anything people are doing for him. We hold you, Kabila, as accountable. We take you from some small village where you come from. Nobody identify you. We accepted you and we changed you. Mediocre you are. You can't even recognize.
Kabila, Itala Nengo Yaka, Nandengo Koni, biso avec les Congolais bato bongisi. Oyaka lokola mwana mboa na Congo. Elo, Mapeka, Congo sakana bana Congo.
Congo Synthèse. La synthèse des infos de la RDC, l'Afrique et le reste du monde. Une seule adresse. www.congosynthèse.com.
Kabila must go! 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 Kabila is a killer! Kabila is a killer! Kabila is a killer! Kabila is a killer! Kabila is a rapist! Kabila is a rapist! Kabila is a rapist! Kabila is a rapist! Kabila must go! Kabila must go! Kabila must go! Kabila must go! Kabila is a killer! Kabila is a killer! Kabila must go! 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 Kabila is a killer! Kabila is a killer! Kabila is a killer! Kabila is a criminal! Kabila is a criminal! Kabila is a criminal! Kabila is a rapist! Kabila is a rapist! Kabila is a rapist! Kabila is a rapist! Kabila must go! Free Congo! Kabila must go! Free Congo! Kabila must go! Kabila must go! Kabila must go! Kabila is a killer! Kabila is a killer! Kabila is a criminal! Kabila must go! 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 Kabila must go.
Kabila is a killer.
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 Kabila is a criminal.
Kabila is a criminal.
Kabila is a criminal.
Kabila is a criminal.
Free Congo.
Kabila must go.
Free Congo.
Kabila must go.
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 Kabila is a killer.
Kabila is a killer.
Kabila is a killer.
Kabila is a killer.
Kabila is a criminal.
Kabila is a criminal.
Free Congo.
Kabila must go. Go, go, go. Kabila must go.
Go, go, go.
Kabila must go. Kabila must go.
Kabila must go.
Kabila must go.
Kabila must go.
Kabila must go.
Kabila is a killer.
Kabila is a killer.
Kabila is a killer.
Kabila is a killer.
Kabila is a criminal.
Kabila is a criminal.
Kabila is a criminal.
Kabila is a criminal.
Free Congo.
Kabila must go.
Free Congo.
Kabila must go.
Killer.
Kabila is a killer.
Kabila is a criminal.
Kabila is a criminal.
Kabila is a criminal.
Kabila is a criminal.
Free Congo.
Kabila must go.
Free Congo.
Kabila must go.
Free Congo.
Kabila must go.
Go, go, go.
Kabila must go.
Kabila is a bon, awa ndenge eza boye Kabila alobaki ye jamais akoki kotika pouvoir na ndenge ya malembe. Alors aza na droit ya koboma bato ndenge alingi, ça c'est lui. Il dit que bokosala ngai eloko te, je vais tuer autant de gens que je veux na kati ya mboka. Donc batraité bakobima na bakwa te, il faut aboma bango babomi. Donc ndenge aboma na 18 le 92 kutu le 7 février 92 le loto va le 7 février 2018, 16 ans après, mais pardon 20 ans après, mais nombre à Batu Oyo Ye abomi, Oyo Kabila abomi 26 ans après, je voulais dire, nombre à Batu Oyo abomi na ba marché à ba chrétien et ça fois 100 Oyo Mbutu abomaki. Yango to manifester les loto la Kabila que le Congo n'est pas son, le Congo est mboka na yete, et que cette année 2018 par tous les moyens, il a besoin d'une balle à la tête. Par tous les moyens, Kabila va partir. Ça, c'est le message que je donne très fort aux gens. Kabila must go.
Kutambola, otambola. Ita kutoza na plaisir ya kutambola. Mboko ya mboka ya pio mingi. Problème ezali ete mitema na biso ezali ya kozika. Ezali ya kozika pona nini? Po ete babomi bandeko na biso mingi. Alors tu peux supporter pas pour ma bande na biso avec un étranger yaza rafani na mboka wana. Mboka wana de mboka na biso. Au monde bato bato tambola wa. Baza ba congolais, ce ne sont pas des rwandais. Yeah, yebesika uta. Mais zonga e sika ya uta. Merci beaucoup.
That's fine. Which organization you come
We are from this magazine.
So which country you originally from?
Zimbabwe, South Africa.
Are you from Zimbabwe, South Africa?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So we
Good
are-
news, Abajan comes from we fired Mugabe. And Robert Mugabe. Okay, so this is your newspaper. Are you going to publish here?
Yeah, we're gonna. So what we do now? Get your contacts if you have. Then we can do an interview. So we're gonna publish this interview on our social media.
Rubero must go. Continue. Rubero must go.
Kabila must go.
Go, go, go.
Kabila must go.
Free Congo.
Kabila must go.
Stop Kabila.
Kabila must go. Must go. Kabila must go.
No more game.
Kabila must go.
No more game.
Kabila must go.
Yeah.
Kabila is a killer. Kabila must go. Kabila must go. Kabila must go. Kabila must go. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer.
Nothing working in Congo. We are tired of you. Look, for example, what is happening in South Africa. In South Africa, they don't need any more Zuma. Just resign. He resigned. That's how the common sense of a human being. Since you have been killing people, you have been raping our mothers, our fathers. Just look what you destroy our country. That is our land for our ancestors. We don't need you. We are tired of you in Congo. We don't need you. Just get off of that Congo. That is our land. We don't need you. Ingeta.
Voyez how on a down the street parce que vous protester contre la dictature ya Kabila na Congo. Congolais bazotambola toyawa devant le premier ministre tokota memona biso parce que na Congo ça ne va pas. Le Congo est occupé par les médiocres, un gouvernement des médiocres dirigé par le président médiocre Kabila qui ne fait que tuer les gens alors que les gens protestent librement pour demander les droits. Mais les gens souffrent, eux sont les milliardaires, ils ne veulent pas que les Congolais soient en paix dans leur propre pays. Et aussi, il a mis les vaches vouloir empoisonner la population congolaise, ok, pas congolais, pas Koufa. Ça, nous, on ne peut pas laisser. Nous, c'est pas le gouvernement qui a dit Notre-Dame de France, à l'Est Square. Ça ne marche qui a nous sommes toujours là. Merci à la Congolais de ce groupe à tous les partout. Continuer l'action, continuer à gozala na maramba Congo, so ba benga biso, to linga mabela Congo, to soutenir mabela Congo. L'amour toujours le to le papa. Matondo,
situation oyo ekomi tellement grave tolemba te toza wana mpona mabele na biso baaction toza awa tolembaka te ata bazoboma ata bazoso bakosala basorti nyonso peuple nde mokonzi peuple mokonzi tolemba te
ya solo
yo okozwi bafraction nde motaolia loso tokozwa yoka ingeta
Kabila mitala ndenge oyaka na ndenge okoni biso apeple congolais batobongisi oyaka lokola mwana mbwa na Congo lelo mapeka okosaka na bana Congo kaka biso batotyaka yo biso mpe batolongola yo o message kaka azopesa yo Kabila yebaka biso toza na yo kota ntina lifobo okomprendre biso nde twaboyeko twana besoin kaka tozalaka baterroriste mpona koelimine yo me tokolonga lokala te
sango apesi biso ntango nzambe azosala eloko ya sika ebendaka bato nyonso te me oyo nzambe abendi oyo nzambe atelemisi soki atelemi biso nyonso ifo totikala nsima na ye yango wana lelo boye toza koloba bamarshe oyo toza kosala tomona yango eloko ya pamba te eza programe ya nzambe eza na kati ya plan ya nzambe yango wana ata toza nombre ya moke koya toya awa toleki nombre ya bato baye te parce que nzambe alobi soki ngai naza na kati na bino vous êtes plus nombreux que ceux qui sont avec eux. Donc, tika tozala kasi tozala encouragé parce que ebale nyonso liboso ekuma munene liboso ekuma fleuve ekuma mer ekuma océan ebandaka na kamwa courdo ya muke ndema ya muke yango wana ekumaka ebale ya munene. Alors tozala ta moko ezali ke nzambe asa telemi na kati na Congo yango wana aza kuutilize bandimi bakretien parce que toza na reine oyo nzambe aza kobana na bandimi po ete tango banguna oyo baza na kati na mokili bakolongwa po bakolongwa etikali mukete biso moko tango tokokamata mboka totya nzambe liboso totya nzambe liboso ingeta totya nzambe liboso ingeta parce que nzambe aloba apatia kimbango alobi na kipambita alobi na nani ale moloto alobi na 4 messager ya binza alobi mboka oyo eza mboka ngana pona Congo eza lokola Israël Congo kutu eleki Israël po nombre ya bato munene ya mokili ba richesse eza na kati na Congo na Israël eza te donc eza mboka nzambe apona po tosalela ye yango wana toza komona ete bandimi batelemi toku toza kosangana boye kotala te kao eza bakatholike eza baprotestant eza baevangélike eza bamusulman eza no tokobenga kaka bana na nzambe ingeta tozali biso nyonso bana na nzambe. Alors, ce que je peux dire dans ma francophone, ça c'est le temps que Dieu a choisi pour les Congolais de se lever. Cela ne va pas dépendre du grand nombre, ça va dépendre de la qualité de ceux qui se présentent devant Dieu. Parce que quand vous travaillez avec Dieu au monde, à tout moment, Dieu n'a utilisé qu'un homme. Et il y a déjà quelqu'un que Dieu a suscité pour relever le peuple congolais. This is why I want to tell those who can hear English, this is a manifestation that we are organizing with the help of God, because the change in our country, the Democratic Republic of Congo, is about to come. The one who has been ruling until now is a stranger, he's a killer, he's a thief, he has done all wrong and bad things against our people. So we are fighting to let him down and so that he can go out, and so Congo will be set free. No more the same.
Who is the mediocre? Mama combatante.
Mwana ya héros national. Amen.
Ingeta.
Ingeta.
Lelo eza mokolo munene penza.
Amen.
Yango nasali nyonso foka nazala.
Amen. Amen.
On a zokanisa il y a 26 ans exactement. Nazalaka na balabala. Ezalaka le 16 février 1992.
Amen.
Tozalaka na balabala. Bamisusu bakweya bakufa, bamisusu bazoka biso bamisusu tobikaki. Pona lelo lisusu tozala bato telema.
Amen.
Mais nandimaka teke nakoki lisusu ko telema lisusu après 26 ans. Situation ezako kene de mal en pire. Situation ezaki na 92, auto déploré na 92. Mais lelo ekominika mususu. O wana ezaki dictature, mais aussi ko eza occupation. Et baby lisusu koleka. Yango wana lelo ezali présence na biso nyonso tu awa pona oyo eza koleka mboka na kati na mboka liboso ya mboka oyo nakanisi boza kolanda ndenge bango moko baanglais basili kondima mbongo na biso ya Congo ba million ebombami awa.
Amen.
Nakanisi bozolanda donc biso kuna tozokufa nzala mais mbongo na biso ezali awa. Comment expliquer que biso tobotami na mboka wana toza même pas millionnaire, bato basali fin de carrière azui retraite asa kobima même pas na $100,000, mais moto yo ayaki na bato biso stomoni po nga na mona ki na misna na lobaka te oyo bato bazo loba yanga na lobaka oyo nga na mona po na zalaka wana pe ezalaki teke azalaki na kombo na ye na lobaka ngo na ba émission na sala ezalaki teke kombo na ye Joseph Kabila. Non, kombo na ye baza kobenga ye commandant Hippo. Bon, soki lelo mutu alobi yango lisumu eza wana. Soki tata na yo na mama na yo bapesi yo kombo mwasi soki aza na zemi, mwasi wana aza na zemi bazokalkile mwana soki aza mwana mwasi tokopesa kombo boye, mwana soki aza mwana mobali tokopesa kombo boye. Rien que pour honorer son père et sa mère, il fallait garder kombo na ye. Mais kombo wana changaki yango mpona nini? Ezali mpona but moko ya koboma biso. Pour les lobbies to souffrir. Yango ata malili, ata pasi, ata heureusement biso awa bala caoutchouc ezate ni bal réel. Donc tokokolo ba muta okufa zate. Amen. Yango to yeko telema awa bo bazana mboka. Boye baketo zana bino. Ba chrétien nyonso bakwei. Ta mususu na bato mususu basa ba chrétien te. Congolais nyonso. Azala ya n'importe quelle religion. Mais makila neza congolais akwei. Biso to yeko telema awa to wuti na messe pona ko yebisa nzambe ko rappeler ye bien ka nzambe ayebi mais ko rappeler ye ko bosa na te ba makila nyonso tu oyo ezotanga et puis bato nyonso baza ko loba pona nini makila ezotanga to ko bimate makila wana ezotanga eza ko langwisa baoccupant mpo makila ezokrie vengeance. Na kati na makila Bible elobi boye, la vie est dans le sang, l'âme vit dans le sang. Makila ezotanga me nakanisi mikolo eza su mingi te, makila wana eatteindre apogée ekomi na suka na socle kaka ndenge moko oya Mugabe akei ya Zimbabwe, ndenge moko nani Dos Santos atiki, ndenge moko Zuma akei aki le prochain tour. Biso tolingi tokota na état de droit, état ya justice, esika oyo toza kotambola, tozoloba, toza kovivre à l'aise na bana na biso baza kotanga sans que basomba diplôme. Bozomona likambo ya kosomba diplôme, botango toza kosomba badiplôme, mboka mobiliza kaka badokter, bongo badokter yango mpe bazali na niveau wana te. Bomoni te ke ezali destruction ya mboka dans l'avenir. Donc objectif ezali kaka pour détruire. Les gens disent le diable est venu pour voler, égorger et détruire. Mais ekosimba te na Congo na Yesu, bandeko na mboka Nzambe asimba bino. Prochaine marche biso nyonso na balabala.
Home country, which is the DRC, there is no democracy. The actual president, Mr. Kabila Kabange, his mandate expired in 2016, and it is. Thank you very much. Mr. Kabila Kabange, who is the president of the DRC, actually illegal president, his mandate expired in 2016. And 2016, and the bishop in Congo gave him 1 extra year to try to organize elections. Unfortunately, being unable, not knowing what democracy is, he failed to organize elections in Congo. He is killing innocent people, demonstrating for peace in the DRC. People asking for the right, but he's killing them. He went to the church and threw bomb in the church, killing Congolese people, Christian, we cannot tolerate that. So we Congolese living in the United Kingdom, Congolese, British and British Congolese living in this country, we need your support. Your mobile phone, your game console, your laptop, the warplane, the substance come in the warplane, they are extracted from the DRC, from Congo. But unfortunately, people in Congo are being killed. Just killed because God gave them the resources. They are killed simply because Kabila doesn't want to relinquish power. He wants to stay in power regardless of the Congolese will. So we Congolese living here, we need your support. We need you to support our action in the United Kingdom. We are the taxpayers in this country. We pay the tax, and we can see how democracy is organized in this country. We want the same kind of democracy in the Democratic Republic of Congo. And also you talk about immigration. Well, Congolese are willing to go back to Congo if conditions are arranged. We want to go back to Congo if Kabila relinquishes power. We will definitely take him out of power. We don't have weapons, but our weapon is God. And we know that if God is with us, we will succeed. Victory belongs to people. He might have weapons, but you should remember, we've got dictators who were here before him. They did whatever they could. They killed a lot of people. Unfortunately, they know what waited for them. They failed. You should know that. Please, please, Prime Minister, please, government, we Congolese are here outside. We are the taxpayers. We need your support. Support our action. We want Kabila out of power immediately.
Merci, Megibana Congo. Ingeta! 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 Congo vivra! Congo vivra! Il est temps qu'on libère notre pays, mes frères, sœurs et Congolais. The history is now starting for our country, the Congo. British people, we are gathering today here to hold your attention. We believe that working together is something that we all believe on and that we can make change. The Congolese people, we have a history. From 1960, our country, our people have been victim of tyranny regime. People have been killed during protest. The current regime is using force. This is an illegal regime. Since 2016, Mr. Kabila is calling himself president in Congo. It's got no legitimacy. It is someone imposing the country to be on his hand. We are living under dictatorship, a military regime that is taking life of Congolese people. But let me tell you something, British people. There's something you have to know today. Our features, our nation, our globe is relying on Congo. This is a country that are going to control the economy of our society in the coming years. Congo is the only country in our globe, in our society, that produce cotton. The cotton is used our mobile telephone. And we got uranium, we got also cobalt. These are natural resources we're going to use for our electric car in the coming 2040. But the ongoing regime in Congo is stopping our society to have a fair and a credible society we're expecting to have. The current regime in Congo is affecting our environment. Congo will reduce the pollution. Congo will change our society. Congo will extend our life expectation. But the only way we can have a regime that are going to help us to have a stable natural, to have a very good globe and our society to be stable, is to have a stable regime in Congo. It's time to help. We believe that working together will change the Congo. We are calling for the international obligation. I'm not seeking for help from anyone. I believe that we are calling here justice. We believe that British community, especially United Kingdom, is the country that has signed the International Global Accord to believe in the human rights, to believe in the protection of society, to believe in the freedom. But what is happening in Congo? We got total absence of freedom. We have a total absence of liberty. We have a criminal regime that is killing our people. Somebody have to stand. Somebody have to say no to this. The Congolese people have been a victim of a barbaric regime. Congolese people have been a victim of tyranny regime. And somebody have to stand up to call for Congolese people. Somebody have to listen to this. I know people, anyone listening to this, you got access to your local member of parliament. British people, we are not calling you for help. We believe that you are signatures of the international accord. This is a time to show the legacy of protection, the legacy of helping innocent, the hopeless people, the voiceless people. They are exposed by a tyranny regime. And somebody have to stand up to help. We are here in the diaspora. We believe it's our time to see the change in Congo. We got a strong contribution in our society we live in here today. And we believe in Britain has got history of helping many countries. The Congolese, we are watching you. A good friend of Congo, it's time to help for us. A good friend of our natural resources will be somebody going to stand for us today. Somebody going to think for the future of our children. It's time to have a stable regime in Congo. Young people going to die before they reach 75 because of pollution. But the Congo can help secure people's life. Congo is the only country in the globe that will produce the cotton to have electric car. And we believe that having a stable Congo will give life expectation for our children. Having stable Congo will produce a better society. Having stable regime in Congo will help our environment. Having stable regime in Congo will give credibility for our life. Thank you. Today is day for everybody to listen, and we believe that Congolese, we are standing here for justice. We are not seeking for help. We believe that it's time to see change and a stable regime. And this is a message from Mr. Kabila. Kabila, let me tell you something that you don't know much. Your ignorance, your hypocrisy, your violence in Congo, we call you mediocre. I think you don't know what mediocre means. Let me explain to you for a second. A mediocre is somebody who does not recognize anything people are doing for him. We hold you, Kabila, as accountable. We take you from some small village where you come from. Nobody identify you. We accepted you and we changed you. Mediocre you are. You don't even recognize us. You don't even recognize us, Mr. Kabila. We change you. Mediocre in history. And this, you're going to pay the price. Congo will be free. And we are here gathering with determination until our country will be free. Thank you. This is the story of 10 million people died in the next decade. And listen to the story. Nobody is talking about Congo. That's why you see people are upset. 10 million died in the last 15 years. 10 million, nowhere in the world. So where are you guys? Are you aware or not? Can you do something or not? Thank you, Mr. Okito. Tous à la moi réchauffement avant tous on pas pasteur Motoko.
Kabila abomi batebele na Congo ekomi. Mr. Kabila, we don't want you in our country. You are a killer. You kill the people every day in my country. Enough is enough. It's time for you to resign. Thank you.
Kongo na ngai Anto Sambo. Nazopesa message moko na moyibi na ndoki na kila oyo azoboma bato mingi na Kinshasa. Azoboma bandeko na ngai chaque jour. Naza membre actif ya Congo Support. Nazopesa message oyo na moyibi na ndoki ya Kabila oyo afandi. Yeba na bakretie kande batelemaki. Soki bibembe nyonso ya bakretie oyo bomamaki depuis le 31, le 21. Oyo ezake ikoki na basoda no baoti na bama bakretie. Biso totambolaki na kati ya poto. Tomonaki ne bapolisi baboma biso te. Mais bazaki bamanda kozala biso tozotambola na bango batika koboma te. Mais komi yo ozopesa basoda bapolisie baboma bakongole makila oyo nyonso bakongole ezotanga butu moi na est na Bukavu bisika nyonso oyo makila na Kasai oyo bana kongole bazokufa chaque jour tolobi esi ekoki. Mina kwambia na mugini unasemaka wewe unasemaka mzuri Swahili tusha kuyua na mugini yako tusha kuyua sauri toke yaka tunasema saisha kwenea rudi ya fashori kuyaka Kongo ina fashi yako huko mwishi unaua watu wa mingi madamu yote ya watu na waka kila siku samwa hii madamu utairi paka Kabila utairi paka fashi yote utenda na wewe na watoto wako na bote yako ya utaripa madamu yote ya Kongo na Kasai bantu bote bena viole kila siku kama unapenda tu banakuacha tu damu mvlari wewe unakunywa hii madamu unakunywaka isha kwa kumwisho hii madamu yote unakunywa inakuwa kumwisho ndio mimi nakwambia bantu bote bena kufa wewe fashi yote utaenda hapo sasa kila siku wewe bulozi unasema kumbulozi ya mwisho na bantu wako baloshi kupita ubeko hapa bantu moya bali kufaka banekalaka baloji bali bakata tu bashingo yabo baracha batoto yabo baracha babibi yabo njo yako wewe Kabila njo ya bakongole njo shakuikala na bote bakongole banekalaka nayo wewe unakuwa tu unakuwa unaiba unaenda unaiba unaenda sasa kwa sasa sema wacha sasa unalabisha Kongo unalabisha toka acha Kongo toka huku kila wende baziona cha kupika na Kongo wende unaviole sana wende
hatukupenda tena unaenda Mamadu juu ya Goma juu ya watu wa Goma wanakujua wewe ndio muongo Mamadu wewe Kabila tupende tena kwenda hata inji yetu na mwana tu ulikoma ukome mtumatiba mama yako Kabila acha inji yetu tukupende wewe Rwanda Munoranda rudia ku Rwanda Kabila utukome wewe Kabila ukufe na kushiku ya leo
Mecha, oh Mecha, 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 oh Mecha pana Kabila, Mecha, oh Mecha pana Mendo, Mecha, Mecha, Mecha pana Kimbuta, Mecha, oh Mecha, 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 Mecha. Oh Mecha, 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 oh Mecha, 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 oh 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 Mecha pona Kengo, Mecha, oh Mecha pona Shehu, Mecha, oh Mecha pona Kanyama, Mecha, oh Mecha Kenge Mani, Mecha, 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 oh Mecha, 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 oh Mecha, 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 oh Mecha, 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 oh Mecha, 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 oh Mecha, 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 Kabila is a killer. 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 Kabila is a criminal. Kabila is a criminal. Kabila is a criminal. Kabila is a criminal. Kabila is a witch. 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 Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Oh, free Congo. Kabila must go. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Oh, free Congo. Kabila must go. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Oh, free Congo. Kabila must go. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Oh, free Congo. Kabila must go. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a bitch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a witch. Nalobi pataselekele. Kabila is a witch. Pataselekele. Kabila is a killer.
Awa na Nambatem, nakati ya London, Angleterre, et l'autre pour marcher par rapport à les février pour combat chrétien. C'est ainsi que par rapport à Kinshasa, la communauté laïque qui a mobilisé ya Kiawa, na compte organisation wana pour soutenir encore na bandeko biso ko batika. Na ba oyo pe batiki biso na Londres wa ba fundeli pe mboka, mais malheureusement ba fundi ko arde. Ya konde ko bisa na bandeko nyonso. Emo ba ena ndam. Ko ba libanda partout na diaspora, tout na bomoko, n'est-ce pas? Pour que tout soutenir et le communauté ça na compte ya communauté congolaise. Vraiment c'est pas nous faisons ça, nous qui mela. Ya eloko nous faisons ça là. Ya ba congolais marquer présence là yo les avala miniko et jour au jour ba stratégie doit changer la Kabila, nous peut changer ma stratégie na biso. Quel que soit l'état, la victoire viendra. Parce que personne ne pouvait s'attendre que Mobutu pouvait faire 32 ans et partir. Mais les autres, Mobutu nous a quittés.
et son âme repose en paix. Musée Aye accueilli. Donc, quel que soit l'état, il finira par partir. Alors, au lieu de faire ce temps ébélé, ou bien au lieu de continuer comme on a continué comme nous pouvons l'intercaler par rapport à Batino Kotosa. Même opinion internationale pour soutenir. Quand que Baboul a fait quelque chose, c'est trop. On peut aussi intervenir dans par rapport à ma manifestation, par rapport à ma déclaration. Vraiment, les coopérations que nous avons retient cela et un jour, pour que Kamela vraiment marqué présence Malo, les Amalam,
Kanga Kabila, Kanambe, Omaye, Kanga Kabila, Omaye, Kanga Kimbuta, Omaye, Kanga Ndemende, Omaye, Kanga Kanyama, Omaye, Kanga Kasozo, Omaye, Kanga Beminaku, Omaye, Kanga Chokituku, Omaye, Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a criminal. Kanambe, you are criminal. Kanambe, you are criminal. Kabila is a killer. Kanambe is a criminal. Kabila is a killer. Kanambe is a criminal. Oh, free Congo. Kabila must go. 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 Free Congo. Kabila must go. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a bitch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a bitch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a witch. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Kabila must go. Kabila must go. Kabila is a killer. Kabila is a killer. Kabila, you are weak. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a witch. Kabila is a criminal. Kabila is a criminal. Kabila is a criminal. Kabila is a criminal. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Oh, free Congo. Kabila must go. Free Congo. Kabila must go. Oh, free Congo.
Je vous remercie infiniment. Je vous remercie d'avoir pris le temps de venir soutenir le Congo. Je voudrais que tous, que nous prenions conscience de la situation dramatique dans laquelle se trouve notre pays. Cette année 2018 est une année dont on dit ça passe ou ça casse.
This year or never.
Si
Nous, les enfants du Congo, restons distraits.
Stay here.
Et laissons M. Kabila continuer
Let Kabila continue
à détruire le
to
pays,
destroy the country,
à le déstabiliser,
destabilize the country,
à l'amoindrir,
and to make it a smaller
à
country,
l'affaiblir.
and to make it weaker.
Il nous sera très difficile de récupérer la
It
situation.
will be difficult for us to get back to the situation we want.
Monsieur Kabila est totalement
Mr.
hors
Kabila
mandat.
is out of mandate.
Le Congo est une république
Congo is a republic.
depuis 1960.
Since 1960.
Depuis cette année-là,
From that year,
nous n'accédons au pouvoir
we can go to
qu'avec
power
un mandat
only with the
reçu
mandate received from the people.
par du peuple.
From the people.
Monsieur Kabila
Mr. Kabila
a épuisé les mandats qu'il a
expired all his
volés
mandates
au peuple congolais.
that he took with force from Congolese.
Alors maintenant, il
Now,
continue à
he
s'entêter.
continue to stay there, stubborn.
Nous n'avons plus qu'une chose à faire,
We have
c'est
only one
résister.
thing. We have to resist.
Résister
We
avec
have
la
to
dernière
resist with the
énergie
last energy
jusqu'à ce que,
until
avant la fin de cette année,
before the end of this
M.
year,
Kabila
Mr.
est coupé
Kabila
dehors.
should be out of power.
Nous ne sommes pas nombreux aujourd'hui.
We are not that many today.
Je remercie tous ceux qui ont pris la peine de
I thank
venir.
everyone who came here
Et
today.
nous demandons à tout le monde de
We
se
ask
mobiliser.
everyone to mobilize.
De se mobiliser.
Mobilize.
Nous devons suivre ce qui se passe au pays.
We have to follow what is going on in our country.
Le 25, il est prévu
On the
une marche au
25th,
pays.
there is a demonstration in the
Nous ne
country.
savons pas encore si nous aurons la possibilité de l'organiser
We
ici.
don't know if we'll get a possibility to do it
Mais
here
nous
as well.
tenons une réunion
But
de
we have a meeting on
coordination
coordination
le jeudi prochain.
next Thursday, this
C'est
Thursday.
à cette réunion-là
In the meeting,
que nous allons évaluer la
we
possibilité, la
try to evaluate
faisabilité,
and see what we can do.
la faisabilité de cette réunion-là.
And see what we can do after the
Mais
meeting.
pour l'instant, le
For
plus
the moment,
important, c'est de nous déterminer.
It's for us to determine.
Le CLC est une émanation
CLC comes from
de l'Église catholique
the Catholic Church.
en réponse aux évêques.
In reply to what
Qui ont
the
demandé
bishop
que le
said,
peuple congolais se mette debout
that the people
parce
Congolese
que
will
le
stand
pays
up
va mal.
because the country is not working the way it
Nous
should.
sommes donc cette réponse-là.
We are the answer to that.
Et cette réponse, le
And
pays
that
dont parle
answer
les évêques, c'est tout le Congo.
It's not only for the bishop
C'est pas
but for
seulement
the
l'Église
Congo.
catholique.
Not the Catholic Church.
C'est pour ça que le CLD
That
est
is why the
disposé,
CLC
le CLC est
The
disposé
CLC
à
is
travailler
ready
avec toutes
to
les
work with
forces
all the
vives
congregations
et toutes les bonnes volontés.
and everyone of goodwill.
Nous ne cherchons pas la conquête de pouvoir.
We don't want to get
Nous
power.
cherchons seulement la récupération
We
de
want
notre
to get
pays.
back our country.
Et quand nous aurons récupéré
When
le
we get our
pays,
country back,
c'est en ce
at
moment-là
that time,
que le peuple va donner les mandats
that people give
à
mandate
qui
to
veut
who they want
conduire
to.
le destin national. Je vous remercie encore une fois.
Thank you very
Et que le
much,
Seigneur vous
Pastor.
bénisse.
Alors, toujours clôturer la prière, le roi
now we want to finish with the prayer, and we want a blessing from
Yesu azali awa, Yesu azali awa,
Yesu azali awa na biso. Yesu azali awa, Yesu azali awa, Yesu azali awa na biso. Alléluia, 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 alléluia na Yesu. Yesu na Nzambe. Alléluia, alléluia, alléluia na Yesu. Alléluia, 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 alléluia na Yesu. Yesu na Nzambe. Alléluia, alléluia, alléluia na Yesu.
Kolo na biso tata mokeli na nyonso. Papa soki yo otiki biso nani mosusu akosalisa biso. Yango na libanda awa na bato na nzela bazali kotala ke biso sikoyo tozali kosilisa oyo toyaki kosala awa na losambo mpo kobelela yo mpo toyebi ke yo ozali na makoki nyonso ya kosunga mboka na biso mpo ebima na kokosi oyo Seigneur. Yo opermetaki ke biso bakongole tozala na eteni ya mabele oyo babengi République démocratique du Congo. Papa, biso atako bandimi na yo tokokoba na bondimi na biso ndenge nini soki mboka ezali na mikakatano yo nde mopesi kimia pesa biso kimia na kati ya mboka na biso papa pesa biso tondisa biso na bolingo ya mboka biso ndenge tovandi awa tokoba toujours kozala utilisé par yo po mboka na biso ebima na kokoso. Merci po ozalaki na biso banda tobandaki, merci pe ozokende na biso totiki avenir ya makambo nyonso oyo tokosala na nzela na yo na bamboka na yo moko. Merci nkolo na biso na kombo na Yesu, amen.
Congo Synthèse, la synthèse des infos de la RDC, l'Afrique et le reste du monde. Une seule adresse: www.congosynthèse.com.